couple days since I've driven this thing. Today's video is something I didn't think I would be making a video about for a very, very long time. The lighting is really trash in this car right now, so I'm just gonna update you guys when we get to where we're going. We have gotten to where we're going, and today we are back out at Frankie's house. If you remember from the PDR video, I came out here to have the paintless dent repair done on the S2000. I'm back out here today because, like I said, this is a video I never thought I'd ever even be considering making at this point in time, but I'm here to look at Frankie's Evo that he has for sale. Let's go over and check it out.
It's a 2005 Evo 8, no sunroof, pretty base car. It's probably one of the more base ones from factory, other than an RS. 116,000 miles. Clean title, clean all that. Just a northern car that sadly got some rust that I'm letting go for cheap.
So far you said the brakes are pretty rough.
I think it's just the rotors. I think the pads are fine, but I'd replace both anyway. That's a little rough. The camber adjustments in the front were seized from my buddy, so they need bushings replaced in the front and probably rear, just for the camber adjustments. Overall, little beater Evo.
How's the motor?
Engine-wise, it's perfect. And mechanically, the car's perfect. I put 2,000 miles on it. They haven't done a thing to it, and it's never let me down.
So I'm gonna go ahead and take a few minutes and look this car over. I'm gonna take the car for a drive, see how it feels, all that stuff. I've never driven an Evo 8 before, so I don't really know exactly what to look for, what to expect. It's like really bad.
What?
I already like this more than my S2000.
I agree. It's just a more practical car.
Kind of fits the whole like boosted John thing a little better.
It's not NA John anymore. Difference between Evo 8s and 9s. Jeez, really beating on her. See, that's the hardest I've ever seen to beat on this car. Yeah, I've never beat on this car like that.
I mean, I gotta know it works.
There you go.
You know, I gotta know it works.
I've never done that, so.
Yeah, I don't know, guys. I really like the Evo. I really, really like the Evo. Well, guys, I bought an Evo 8. This is so surreal. This is ridiculous. I bought an Evo 8. This is going to be our car for the winter. It is in pretty rough shape, and you might be asking yourself, John, didn't you just buy an S2000? Yes, I did just buy an S2000. However, the S2000, I've had so many people telling me not to winter drive it. I just decided that it was not gonna work out as a winter car. So, you're asking yourself, are you gonna keep the S2000? That's something I'm gonna talk about in another video. For now, all I wanna say is that this car is staying as is. I'm driving it through the winter. I'm gonna just fix some of the suspension stuff. I'll probably fix some of the cosmetics. It is in pretty bad shape in terms of rust. Maiden voyage. I own an Evo 8. So this might sound super cliche, but like similar to TJ Hunt, how he has this, the famous parking garage that he goes to whenever he's got something sentimental going on, it's like a throwback. I have one too, actually, which is, it's awesome, but like, I'm not trying to compare myself at all. But this is where I come. Every car that I've ever owned, I have a picture of right here in this exact spot in front of a sunset. No lie. And it just so happens that today I get to do that with an Evo 8. Wow. Now again, why did I buy an Evo 8? I bought an Evo 8 because I was offered a deal that I could not refuse. There was literally no chance in the world that I could have refused this offer, thanks to my friend Frankie. Now, like I said, this car is a little bit rusty. It's got some paint chips. It's not a perfect Evo. It is definitely not a perfect Evo. It is an Evo 8. And mechanically, it's fantastic, but again, cosmetically, it does have its issues. It has a full Megan Racing catback exhaust, and it has a Megan Racing downpipe, I believe, as well, so, and an intake, so it has bolt-ons. It kind of just needs a tune. I'm not gonna be making any power on this thing over stock. I just want to keep it reliable and daily drive it through the winter, like I said. I'm freezing. I need to hop back in the car. Let's talk in here. Okay, now normally in a situation like this, I would tell you how much I paid for this car. However, like I said, this car's sole purpose is to be my winter daily, and then after winter, we're making a decision on this car. If I make the decision to sell this car, which I'm most likely gonna do, I have a great video series / video idea plan for that, so I'm not going to tell you guys how much I paid for it just yet because it would be in my best interest to wait until then to tell you. But like I said, it was a deal that I couldn't refuse. Oh, dude, it's so cool. You can see the wing? Dude. The Recaros? The Recaros? Dude, I gotta tell the boys. Anyway, yeah, I don't really know what else I have to say right now. This has been, honestly, the craziest Vlogmas episode, and I told you guys at the beginning, like halfway through Vlogmas, something absolutely crazy was gonna happen, and it did. There are literally only 4 of those in the world, and one happens to be like close to my house. It's kind of crazy. So we're on what's called Lakeshore Drive. This is a road in Chicago, and it is literally on the coast of Lake Michigan, and Chicago is on our right-hand side right now. It's like the water is right over there. If it was daytime, we could literally see the lake from this road. So it's pretty cool. We're cruising. You can see, this is what they call the Gulf Coast. So you can see all the yellow, you know, warm lights from inside the buildings, and here we go. So guys, this is where I'm gonna close out this video. This one was absolutely insane. Today is Kearney and my 6th anniversary, so I'm spending the rest of the night with her. We are out driving like you're seeing right now. And I don't wanna have to focus on filming anymore. I just wanna hang out with her. So I hope you guys are excited for the Evo content. There's gonna be plenty of it coming here pretty soon. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. And as I always say, boys, let's plan, commit, execute, and attain our goals. Bye.
You want a beer or a drink or
I got beers in my backpack. And
dude, oh my god, they brought more beer. I bought like a lot of beer. And
I mean, I'll drink your beer too. Kearney might have one.
So much
maybe 5.
Stuff. Oh my.
Dude, we got a lot of brews. We got a lot of brews. I don't see a problem here, Pasha.
Stella.
So big because it's got these flat tires.
Whoa, wide angle. Wait, you can actually see yourself.
Right.
No. Best vlogger
I mean,
ever.
honestly, I get more sport of Steelies.
So we've been hanging out at my place. Oh, I should be looking here. So we've been hanging out at my place, and like no one really cares about anything, and we haven't done anything in like the last hour. We played a game, but then everyone just kind of started talking, and no one's paying attention to me. And I invited everyone, and no one really cares, and I'm sad.
Yeah, it's just for the winter tires.
That is true. Look at him. Look at him.
Yeah, it's honestly worth it.
Look at his ass. He keeps talking. They keep talking.
I also like.
They don't care about the party.
Using it for driving, like don't put
Copyright music.
6-inch wide wheel.
You guys vibing?
235.
I think John is going, I don't know.
What?
To Florida?
I'd love to. Yeah, I am.
When?
But you're not, Kearney?
No, yeah, he's going with my family.
Oh,
Yeah,
gotcha.
yeah.
Okay, so you're going regardless as well as he's going.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we'll see you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.